welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be coming to you guys with a New Year's Eve makeup look, and I can't believe it's New Year's. Honestly, it like crept around the corner, came up literally so fast. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of glitter on the eyes, a pretty berry lip. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start by priming with my Milk Cosmetics primer. Then I'm going in with my Este Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I wear the shade Tawny. I find that applying with a damp beauty sponge really leaves the most flawless finish. This foundation is full coverage, and I really like it. I wear this foundation on an everyday basis. It's especially good for going out because it actually lasts on your face all day. And this foundation definitely stays in place with the combination of the primer that I use with it. Now I'm just going in with the Maybeline Fit Me Concealer, and I just go in with the shade Light. I also apply some right on top of my eyelids, and it acts as eyeshadow base, and it just really creates like a smooth canvas to lay eyeshadow on top of. And I'm also just going to be blending this out with the same beauty sponge. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced setting powder and setting my whole face with it. I just tap a little in the cap, get a big fluffy brush, and I first do my eyelids just to make sure they don't crease, and then I will buff it all over my face. By setting your face with translucent powder, it stops actually the transfer of your foundation. Like if you go to hug someone, you won't get foundation on their shirt and like ruin it. So it's always good to definitely set it with translucent powder. So I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia Brow Definer and really just shape my brows. So I brought you guys in a little bit closer for the eyes. Today I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm so excited to play around with this. I just got it actually for Christmas. So I'm planning on going in with some glitter silver sparkles from the Frozen collection by ColourPop. So first I'm just gonna go in with the shade Burnt Orange, and if you could see, my nails actually are all glittered up and they're ready for New Year's Eve. I'm just going to be putting it in my crease with a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna take a little bit more and I'm gonna bring it down to my lash line. To darken it up a tiny bit, I'm going to pick up the shade Sienna, and I'm going to focus this on my outer crease. I always just like keep a powder brush handy so I could always wipe off the excess of any eyeshadow that falls. So I'm just going to take a little bit more Sienna and bring it not directly down here, but a little bit in my upper inner crease, and I'm just going to try to create like a gradual effect where it gets darker and thicker on the outer half. So I just brought you guys in a little bit closer, and I'm going to show you the glitter that I'm going to be using. This glitter is from the Frozen 2 collection that ColourPop did, and it's the Elsa glitter, so it's like silvery, and I think it's so pretty. Whenever I think of New Year's, I think of like silver and like glitz and glam. So I definitely knew that I wanted to include this in my New Year's Eve makeup look, and I'm definitely going to be recreating this entire look tomorrow. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter on my finger and pack it on my eyelid. I'm not bringing the glitter to the outer third of my eyelid, but I'm really going to focus it in the inner corner and in the center. Since it's a wet gel consistency, I'm going to wait until it dries to finish up my eyes. So while the glitter is drying, I'm going to finish up my face. I'm just going to go in with my Sweet Tea bronzer from Too Faced. I don't really contour that much, so I'm just going in where I would contour, plus I'm going to bring it a little bit more higher on my cheeks so I get a little bit of a sun-kissed glow. I also never forget to bring it down my neck, just so I match with my whole face. I am then going to go in with my baked blush from Milani in the shade Berry Amore. I don't ever put on too much blush. I just really like a tiny bit of wash of color on my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with the Becca Cosmetics highlight in the shade Opal. A little bit on the top of my lip, on the top of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. I just really hit all the high points of my face. So I actually always love to go in with mascara before I finish off my eyes, because I feel like once my eyelashes are lifted and pulled out of my face, kind of in the shape that they're supposed to be in, I could get more of a feel where I need more shadow and where I need more dimension in my eyeshadow. I'm just going to be using my all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my eyes, and I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna and Burnt Orange and just take it on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go right against my bottom waterline. I'm going to take a really tiny brush and I'm going to dip it into the glitter to put it on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to put this right on the inner corner. So I'm just going to take a little bit more and put it on my inner lid. So now I'm going to grab the shade Tempera on a flat shader brush, and I'm just going to take this on my brow bone, just to lighten and brighten it up. And then I'm going to go back in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to go blend that out so it's seamless and it blends with the other shadows. So my sister actually got all of these lashes for me for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna go in with these double wispies. So first I'm just going to apply a little bit of Carmex to my lips before I go in with any lip product. With my Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm actually just going to go really close to my inner corner, and I'm actually going to draw a little tiny line right to my tear duct. Just like that. By doing that, it kind of just like blends the fake eyelash a little bit. So for lips, I'm actually just going to line them in the shade Ever by NYX. Then I'm going to go in with another item from the Frozen collection. This is in the lipstick shade Little Snow. And then for gloss, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Lip Gloss in Metallic Rose. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to be using my Morphie setting mist. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As for my dress, I will link it below. It's from H&M. I actually got it today, so it's definitely available. And my earrings I picked up from Express. I hope everybody has a happy and healthy new year, and I'll see you in my next one.